everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Pisces for December 2018. General reading is going to cover your love, your soul story, your career, what's going on for December. For a limited time only, I am offering free readings, okay? Anybody who subscribes and shares any one of my videos to social media can get a free reading. Once you guys have done those two things, my email is below. Email me with the question that you have. Once I've seen you have subscribed and shared one of my videos, I will pull one card from Messages from the Angels. I'll take a picture of that card. I'll email it to you as well as give you some insight on what that card means regarding your situation, okay? For some of you guys who have been following me for a while, you know that I like to go over with what's going on with the planets and the signs, okay? Because if it doesn't play out through the cards, it's just to give you a heads up, okay? Now, your ruling planet, Neptune, has been in Pisces since 2012 and will remain there until 2026. So embrace that time, okay, guys? And on the December 2nd, we have Venus is entering Scorpio. Venus is the planet that represents relationships, romance, beauty, a love for the arts. In Scorpio, okay, the zodiac sign that is about new beginnings, death, life, the afterlife. So you might see a renewal in your interests, maybe your love relationships, your career relationships, what you see about your career. You might be taking a new direction, okay? On the 6th of December, we have Mercury is turning direct in Scorpio. So it definitely is a busy month for Scorpios. Now, Mercury is the planet of communication, so you might see a renewal in your communication, perhaps some events, maybe some invites to those holiday festivities, okay? On the 7th of December, we have a new moon in Sagittarius, okay? And on the 12th, we have Mercury is now entering Sagittarius. So it's a busy month for my Scorpios as well as my Sagittarians too, okay? On the 22nd of December, we have a full moon in Cancer. Cancer's ruler is in fact the moon, okay, guys? Mars right now is still in your sign, okay? And with a full moon in Cancer, I don't want to say you guys are going to be over emotional, but you're definitely going to take your emotions into consideration, okay? Like I said, this could be about your career, this could be about your relationships. Some of you guys who find yourself just dating somebody new, you might want to put a label on the relationship, okay? Just kind of wait until those emotions kind of settle before you make anything in stone, all right? Now let's just jump into it. I always like to pull from the traditional Rider-Waite deck, and today I'm also going to do a message from the angels for you guys, okay? Alright. If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email me. I do over the phone, Facebook, pre-recorded email readings. Let me know if you guys would just like to leave a comment. I am quick to respond. Alright? So let's see what's going on for my Pisces. You guys are of the 12th house. Your element is water. Your ruler is Neptune. So let's see what's going on for my lovely Pisces. All right, we are starting off with the Page of Swords. So there definitely is going to be a message for you guys. Swords represent communication, perhaps an air sign, a fellow air sign, okay? So there's going to be a swift news regarding that. It could be about a new career. Maybe you guys are putting in some applications, some resumes somewhere. Maybe you guys are just seeing if your relationship is really holding solid, okay? Now, next you have the Judgment card. So you have to put your best foot forward, Pisces. You have to really make sure that what's going on, whatever has that chip on your shoulder, you are really making sure that it suits you and your loved ones, okay? Now we had another card jump out here. Excuse me, I gotta go get it. All right, we have the Ace of Cups. So moving forward, you're going to receive some news. You're going to make your best judgment. And with the Ace of Cups, there's definitely going to be something regarding your emotions, okay? How you feel, maybe your love life, okay? An opportunity. Maybe this is an opportunity for you and your spouse to make the relationship new again, okay? Maybe with Venus being in Scorpio, you guys are really going to take advantage of that. I do see this is probably going to be out of the blue. This could also be with Mercury entering, turning direct. Okay, Mercury communication. Maybe you guys are going to be able to say what needs to be said in order to move on. Okay, to renew the relationship. It could also be just to find a new beginning. Okay. All right, and we are ending with the Six of Cups, and I really like this card. For some of you guys who are not aware of the Six of Cups, this represents perhaps a child coming into your life. Maybe you or somebody you know, a sibling or a cousin, is expecting. If not, this is also representing a community of like-minded people, finding forgiveness in your heart for somebody who has really done you wrong. Not necessarily that you're taking them back, but you're not letting that old energy affect you, okay? You need to move on. You need to find peace amongst yourself and your family in order to really have a happy life, okay, guys? I really like that card. I'm just going to do one more for you guys. I usually do 3 cards from the Rider-Waite deck, but I'm feeling a little something different, okay? All right. Ooh, we have the Five of Wands. So, with the news that you are getting regarding the Page of Swords and making your judgment and having that emotional opportunity, that emotional blessing come into your life and finding like-minded people or forgiving somebody, you are going to be able to put things aside. Now, some of you guys might look at this card, okay, the Five of Wands, as, yeah, that doesn't look so hot, Vera. What's going on? They kind of look like they're fighting. But if you look very closely, they're not fighting. They could be playing a game. They could be building a house. It really is up to you, okay? Make your judgment. Make those decisions. And this card, if things do not go well and you're not able to let go of that negative energy and what has been holding you back, this could in fact be a fight, okay? Perhaps a love triangle too as well. So if you don't get your ducks in a row, Pisces, this could actually end up being negative. But I really feel, Pisces, because Neptune is in your sign, and with Venus going in Scorpio and Mercury turning direct, I feel like you can make the best of this card. You can make the best of this situation. Things might not be perfect in your life right now. This could be you fighting with your own family. This could those holiday dinners, you're seeing yourself as like, oh gosh, I gotta see, you know, Uncle such and such, or whatever it might be, or I gotta deal with my spouse, my ex with, you know, the children that we do have. If you do not make the best of the situation, this could in fact turn wrong, okay? I feel if you guys really put your best foot forward, really make the best of the situation, let that negative energy go, and really manifest what you want, this could actually be something beautiful, all right? So make the best of it, my Pisces. My lovely Pisces, the healers of the zodiac sign. All right, so let's do one from the angels, shall we? Now, if you guys want a private reading with me, you guys could pick any one of the decks. I have angels, fairies, I have spirit animals, I got karma cards. You let me know, all right? Now, for that free reading, I will, in fact, be doing it from the Messages from the Angels, which is the deck that I have now, okay? So let's see. What does my spirit guides... Well, that's what they got to say to you right there. It just flew out. All right, let me go get it. We got a lot of cards flying out here today. Oh, we have 2. We have 2. Oh, and I love it. We have the 9 of Fire. Don't give up. Protect that which you have created. Have courage. Believe in yourself. I love this card. This is a very inspirational card, and I feel for some of you guys who are doing something that your family does not agree of or your spouse do not agree of, if it's done in good karma and it really is what your calling is, you're passionate about, don't let other people discourage you, okay? Maybe some of you guys want to read tarot cards yourselves. Don't let anybody tell you that that is just some bullshit, okay? Because if you're passionate about it, go forward with it, okay? All right. I would hate to see my Pisces not listen to what their heart is telling them, because I'll tell you what, we need you guys. There's a lot going on in the world right now, a lot to do with politics, healthcare, laws. You just need to step on your soapbox, maybe start in your small communities, you know, your group of friends, your family. Start there and move on, okay? Because if it's what you truly believe in and you're passionate about, you need to really move forward, okay? All right. And ending our reading, we have balance. The need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise. Wait for the perfect timing. Now, maybe Mars has been fueling you guys to kind of hastily say things, maybe get some revenge. Maybe some of you guys are looking to move on from your job and you don't even want to put in your 2 weeks. Do it in good care. Okay, make sure that you are not flooding the water underneath the bridge, that you are really saying what needs to be said. You're doing it in a loving way. Don't let Mars overtake you, okay? You can manifest your destiny and do it peacefully, okay? Because my Pisces, you are the healers of the zodiac sign. You clean up everybody's mess and you do it with love and healing energy, okay? So we desperately need you guys right now, all right? Okay, so that pretty much sums up our reading. I really hope to hear from you guys for the free reading. If you guys have already subscribed to this channel, you can qualify for the free reading. All you have to do is share one of my videos and let me know, okay? I hope to hear from you guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and you guys have a beautiful December.